Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of technology that might seem a bit old school to some, but for many businesses, it's still an absolute necessity: faxing. And we're looking at how the CASTELLE Faxpress 2500 two-line fax server is bringing this essential communication method firmly into the 21st century. This isn't your grandma's clunky fax machine. The Faxpress 2500 is a sophisticated, dedicated fax server designed to streamline and modernize how organizations handle their fax communications. What immediately stands out is its robust two-line capability, meaning it can handle multiple faxes simultaneously, significantly boosting efficiency for busy offices. No more waiting for a line to clear or missing important documents because the fax machine was tied up. But the real game changer here, and what truly elevates the Faxpress 2500, is its seamless 10100BT connectivity combined with powerful email integration. Imagine this: incoming faxes don't just print out on paper, they arrive directly in your email inbox as digital files. This transforms the entire workflow. Instead of physically retrieving faxes, scanning them, and then emailing them, the Faxpress 2500 automates this entire process. It converts those faxes into digital documents, typically PDFs or TIFFs, and routes them to designated email addresses. The benefits of this email integration are immense. Firstly, it dramatically improves accessibility. You can receive and send faxes from anywhere, whether you're in the office, working remotely, or on the go, as long as you have access to your email. This is a huge leap forward for business continuity and flexibility. Secondly, it enhances security and privacy. Faxes are no longer left exposed on a shared machine. They go directly to the intended recipient's secure inbox. Thirdly, it's a massive step towards going paperless. Digital faxes are easier to store, search, and archive, reducing clutter and environmental impact. Think about the cost savings on paper, toner, and even dedicated fax lines. The CASTELLE Faxpress 2500 also offers centralized management. IT administrators can easily configure users, routing rules, and monitor fax activity from a single interface. This simplifies administration and ensures that fax communications are handled consistently across the organization. Its 10100BT Ethernet interface ensures fast and reliable network connectivity, integrating smoothly into existing IT infrastructures without a hitch. For businesses that still rely on fax for legal documents, medical records, or secure transactions, but want the convenience and efficiency of email, the Faxpress 2500 is an incredibly compelling solution. It bridges the gap between traditional communication requirements and modern digital workflows, making faxing less of a chore and more of an integrated, efficient part of daily operations. It's a smart investment for any organization looking to optimize its communication infrastructure and embrace a more digital future while still meeting all its compliance and communication needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.